It's springtime and warmer weather is right around the corner. Need a quick and easy way to keep yourself smelling fresh when the temperatures start to rise? Well, try out this easy, beginner-friendly deodorant formula that's completely aluminum-free. You might even have some of these ingredients at home, so without further ado, let's make it. Start with your double boiler turned on high and your heat-safe mixing container placed inside. Our first ingredient in the bowl will be coconut oil. Follow it up with beeswax, which will help firm up the deodorant. Up next is cocoa butter, and finally baking soda, which will help combat BO. Stir it as it melts to help speed up the process. When everything has liquefied, carefully remove the bowl from the double boiler. Now we're going to add our kaolin clay, which will absorb moisture and help the deodorant apply smoothly. Stir it in until there are no more clumps left. Finally, we're ready for fragrance. I'm going to use our super refreshing Irish Spring Green scent. I'm going to go ahead and measure it out really quick and dump it in. To finish off the formula, I'm going to add in some vitamin E oil as well, which will act as an antioxidant and extend the shelf life of the formula. Give everything one last thorough mix, and all that's left to do now is package the containers. I'm going to be using these handy dandy deodorant stick molds. And if the formula begins to solidify, just pop it back onto the double boiler just for a few seconds until it's pourable. And just like that, you have a simple and effective deodorant that smells great and won't clog your pores. Each stick of deodorant costs us under $1 to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale for $2 to $5 and retail for $6 to $10 depending on the fragrance and the additives that you choose to use. We really hope that you enjoyed following along with us in the lab for this how-to. And be sure to leave any comments or questions that you have down below. We love hearing what you guys have to say. I'm Maddie, and I'm so happy you guys decided to join us today. And of course, I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye!